Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SA-C100 CD player receiver amp and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one's troubleshooting. If it is not working, or if it's not playing your CDs, or if it's not connecting to something, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason is if for whatever reason you're just trying to get this device set up as a brand new device, we can go ahead and do that by wiping everything off of it with this factory reset to the default settings. It's really easy to do. We're going to do it from the controller. So on the controller, we're just going to find the setup button and hit the setup button. And then we're just going to use the up and down arrows to toggle through the menu options. So we're going to toggle down to initialization on the display of the unit. And once we get to initialization, we'll hit OK. And then from there, we just need to confirm it. So basically, we're going to hit the arrow down until we get, it says on the display, it says yes. And once we toggle down to yes, then we're going to hit OK again. And then once you do that, everything will be reset to the factory default settings. And then you can go back and set this up as a brand new device.